Hi viewers, in this series of my teaching I'll be showing you live identification of chemistry laboratory apparatus or equipment as we call it. So I'll be showing you live identification of it. I'm Adelabu Sunday, your chemistry live tutor. So this is a full portrait of the lab. You can see this is the full portrait of the lab. Here we have our shelf up there. We also have our store, and as a teacher, this is where the teacher will stand while the teaching is going on. You can also see our board. So this is just a mini chemistry lab which can contain minimum of 6 students and maximum of 12 students. Holding right away is burette. You can see them. This is what we call burette. We use it in titration, and it has measurement from 0 to 50. So from 0 to 50, you can see it has a section we call the clip. This is the clip, something like this. This is the clip, and this area is called the tab. So by the time you put the acid inside the titration, you have to open the tab. The liquid, that is the acid inside, will now flow down. And secondly, let's look at the pipette. This is pipette, as I taught you in the second part of my chemistry practical. I explained about pipette. This is what we call pipette. You can see it. This is a 25 ml. I also have that of 20 ml. So this is pipette, and this one is called the ball pipette or the transfer pipette. Why the method of dissolving is also a pipette, but this one we call it dropping pipette. This is also a pipette, and we also have the one. This is also a pipette as well. This one is a dropper. We use it in dropping. Now let me show you some of the measuring cylinders. We have different measuring cylinders, just as I told you in my previous class. Some are made up of plastic. You can see that this is measuring cylinder made up of plastic, 100 ml. So this is also another measuring cylinder made up of glass. This is 250 ml. So you can see what I'm saying. So they have different sizes. This one is 10 ml. This is 10 ml. This is 10 ml. So we have a bigger one. This is also what? 250. We have one bigger than that, made up of plastic as well. This one is about 500 ml. So you can see what I'm saying. Now let's look at some other apparatus. Like this one now is called indicator bottle. You can see the bottle and it's a pipette, a dropping pipette. Let me show you different flask. This flask, you can see this is what we call conical flask. You can see now this conical flask. We also have another one that we call flat bottom flask. It can stand. This is flat bottom flask. You can see now. While the next one I'll be showing you is called round bottom flask. I've taught you the uses of it before. This is round bottom flask. It cannot stand on its own to fall. So those are round bottom flask. So the next one I'll be showing you is volumetric flask, of which they have different sizes as well. These are volumetric flask. You can see this one is 100 ml. White one is 250 ml, made up of glass. So this is also another one of different sizes. This is 500 ml. You can see what I'm saying, 500 ml. While this one is 1000 ml. So they have different sizes. Now let's proceed further. I'll be showing you test tube. Those are test tube. You can see them. Though we have two types of test tube, but one I'm holding right away is boiling test tube. You can see it has ring and they have bigger diameters. Now let me also show you another thing which we call test tube rack. This is what we call test tube rack. Now I can put my test tube on it like this. Maybe after experiment, you wash it, you want to, but you can just use like one over here. You know, it depends. Like the bigger one, but this one I can put it here like this. This is what we call test tube rack. Another thing we have is a test tube holder. I can look at it. If I want to hit something, I can use this for the holding of my test tube, because it will be very bad you holding your test tube on fire like this. It will be convenient for you. It is not scientific. Now this is what we'll do. We'll use it to hold it like this. You can see. Yes, now I can now do my heating. So this is what we call test tube holder. The next one I'll be showing you is spatula. This is what we call spatula. So this is it. You can use it in carrying, maybe you want to carry a solution, or you want to carry some chemicals. You can use this in carrying. Either you use here or you use here. It depends on what you want to carry. Another thing is what we call the crucible tongue. This is what we call crucible tongue. So this is it. Let's say for example, I'm heating. I put my evaporating dish or crucible. This crucible tongue. Now let's say I put my crucible on fire. I want to drop it. So you can see I can just use it to hold it like this for fire and drop it. So it's something very hot. Just hold it like this. Then you drop. Or I'm using my evaporating dish. I can also use it to hold from fire and drop it in order not to injure my hand. This is what we call the evaporating dish, which we use in evaporating solution. This one is the crucible. Also, you can also use it in non-heating. So now let's look at reagent bottle. This is what we call reagent bottle. You can see the bottle with a cork that we use in covering it. This is reagent bottle. Now let's proceed. As I'll be showing you separating funnel. This is what we call separating funnel. So in one of my class, the student just destroyed. This is what we call separating funnel. We use the separating to a mixable liquid like oil, like red oil and water, for example, to not mix. By the time you pour it inside, you see the separation will surely take place. Now this is the tap. You just on the tap. So one of the solvents will come down. Then when the second one is trying to come down, you can now lock it. So it has a cover here. So you pour it through that side. Now let's proceed. I'll be showing you bouncing burner. So this is what we call bouncing burner. So although we have to connect other means, guys, your gas, you have to connect it from there, the light, you get your fire. This is what we call mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle, this is it. This is a mortar, this is a pestle. So that is, we use it for crushing. So if I want to do crushing in the lab, that's what we use for that. This is also our funnel. I told you that we have different type of funnel. Right, that one, we have different type of funnel. Some are made up of plastic, while some are made up of glass. The one I'm holding right now is made up of plastic. This is what we also call wash bottle. This is wash bottle. This is wash bottle. So we can put water on it, and from there we can press. We use it in washing if we want to wash, and maybe adding water to the solution when the need arises. We also have what we call the beaker. So this is the beaker. You can see them. This is beaker. Another one I'll be showing you is brush. Yes, this is brush. We have different sizes. The one I have here is very small. I can use it in washing. Let's say when I'm done with experiments, I can put it inside, then I'll wash instead of putting my hand, even my hand will not enter. It's not even advisable because it's a chemical. So now we have the retort stand. This is a full retort stand, you can see. Now it has different parts. So I can lose it and reset it. So it's something you can dismantle and something you can fix back. You can see it now. Even from here, I can also dismantle this. So this one now is the clamp. So you can now use the clip, everything to set it if you want to set. So this is my lab that we have 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1 in the front. And we have running water as well. So this is just a mini lab for minimum of 6 students and maximum of 12 students. It's just a mini lab. We also have the physics lab, the agric lab, and the biology lab. That even if we arrive for practical, we can share our students into 2. I believe this will be of help for you. Thank you.
Yeah.